Welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change language in Star Trek Online game. So after launching Steam, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you can see language option. It's selected as English. You can change the language to any other that is mentioned over here. Only two other language is given, so select any one of it according to your wish. Just for example, select German, and the game language will be changed to German, so you can easily access the game on that particular language. Now if you want to revert it back to English once again, so again go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here in the language option you have to select English, and the language will be changed to English once again. So through this method you can easily change the language of Star Trek Online game from English to any other and revert it back to English once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.